I want to introduce you to Impact Cloud Notification System. We are currently looking at an opportunity list inside of ACT with Impact installed. We have an enhanced navigation bar and we have filters at the bottom. If without it, this is what you'd be looking at. With it, this is how we see it. Okay, the first thing we want to do is let's isolate which records we want to send notifications to. So maybe I want to say, instead of actual close date, I want to say estimated close date is today in the next 7 days. That's great. Well, I already closed one of them. So let me turn off these close. And I have now estimated close date in the next 7 days, which are open. Okay, I want to start by going notifications. And I'm creating a contact notification, i.e. an email. I'm sending these 4 users an email. So let's go and say create notifications. What the notification name, you can change it to whatever you want to here. It just happens to come up as opportunity because you're on the opportunity list. And today in the next 7 days because that's the filter date range. And I want to just say open notices. What you're doing is sending out email notifications. So this is an email editor. As you can see, it says hi, first name. That's going to take the first name from the contact. Over here is a list of the contacts and their email addresses we're sending it to. Of course, these 4 contacts are attached to the 4 opportunities that match this criteria. Here is your notification for the opportunity. Close. Over here, I have fields I can select to add into this notification. I'll say estimate close date, and I'm going to come down to here, estimated close date. So very simple. I'm putting together a merged email template. And if I want to preview this template, very simple, I can just say, I'll select any contact here. I'm just going to leave it on Kelsey. And I'm going to go to the Run button. I'm going to say Preview Selected. And as you can see, this is the email preview notice based on our template. Here's your notification. Well, first, hi Kelsey, first name. Here's your notification. And this is an Outlook email ready to be sent if you want to. I'm just going to close and say no. Now, if you want to send all 4 of these emails out right now, if you were to highlight holding down the Shift key and select multiple contacts, now when you go and you say preview the selected ones, as you can see, you get 4 selected inside of here. And we forgot to put in a subject line here, so I'm just going to close these ones down, not send them at all. And I'm going to say, opportunity closing next week. Now I'm going to say next week because we're going to send this out today. It's everything in the future. So opportunity closing next week. Now, this is nice. They'll send it out for me. But say I wanted to send this out notices week in and week out. Next week, I'm going to have another 4, another 8, another 10. Well, I can automate this by using the schedule button. So I'm going to say run this notification on a schedule. Now, first, it requires that you log in or put your credentials into ACT. 4 in the morning when ACT isn't running. This automation notification will run in the background and send it out for you. So I'm going to just say, okay, I don't have a password on my database. And I wanted to not run daily. I wanted to run just on Monday mornings. And I wanted to run it at 5 a.m. on Monday mornings. So there I have a notification set up that will find all the opportunities based on this conditions. It's going to give you a little bit of SQL conditions here, but it's going to say where the status number is open and the date range is between today and the next 7 days. So when this goes to run next Monday, it's going to find another set of opportunities. That's why we call it notifications. It's automatic and it runs in the background. So I'm just going to save and close this. I can go back and edit that notification. It's in my list now, so I just click on it. And if I want to make changes or change the wording, I can come along here and do that at any time. That's notifications in a nutshell. Okay, thank you for watching.